Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check which graphics card you have on your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to show you two ways of finding out which graphics card you have. So let's see them one by one. So for the first way, what you need to do is you just need to right click on your Windows Start icon. So just right click, not left click, but right click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Device Manager. And once this Device Manager window opens, you will be able to see this option here which says Display Adapters. And under Display Adapters, you will see the list of graphic cards you have on your Windows 10 operating system. So you can see this is the default graphics card which I got, and this is the Nvidia GeForce MX130 graphics card which I have on my Windows 10 operating system. So this is the first way of finding out which graphics card you have on your Windows operating system. Let's see the second way. So for the second way, you will need a software called CPU-Z. So just search for CPU-Z on your favorite browser. And the first link which will appear here will be from CPUID.com. So I'm going to just click on this link. And once you click on this link, you will see this kind of web page. So I'm going to just download the zip file. So just go to the classic versions and then click on zip file, which is going to download this kind of zip file, which I'm going to show you, which is like this. So CPU-Z and the version of CPU-Z. So this will be a zip file. So I'm going to just extract it by just clicking on the extract all button, and then I'm going to extract this zip file inside the downloads folder. And once this zip file is extracted, you just need to go inside this folder and then click on CPU-Z64.exe file, and then you will see that this CPU-ID software will start. So once this CPU-ID software starts, you will be able to see all the details about your Windows 10 operating system. We are interested in graphics, so just go to the graphics tab here, and you will be able to see display device selection, and you will be able to see which graphics card you have. So if you have more than one graphics card, you will see the list of graphics card, and if you have only one, then you will see this graphics card by default. So as you can see, I have two graphics cards, so I can see the list of these two graphics card, right? You can see more details about the graphics card under GPU and cores. So you can see under clocks, I have core 405 megahertz, and the memory size is 2 GB for my Nvidia graphics card. So this software is going to give you more information about your graphics card here under this section. So this is how you can find out the graphics card you have on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.